Feel the future.
Alright, 2009 Toyota Camry. How to change the battery real quick. Alright, stay tuned. Stop recording. 10mm for this. This one, just gonna unhook it. There you go. 10mm for this. Thing here, positive. Wiggle it, remove it. This one's the same, wiggle it. You probably need to pry it though. Grab a little pry bar. Like so. You can pull it out. I'll put the same. This one is a MT24F CCA 600, made by Interstate Batteries, which it give you, I think, like, and this one says 24 months free replacement. On this one doesn't say it though. This one's in an update. Oh, here it is. Automotive 24-month free replacement. That means if it stopped working within 24 months, you can replace it for free. Put it in there. Remove this protector, cover, whatever you want to call it. This one too. Power. Insert it. Ground. Minus. Sign. Put it in there. Tight it. The 10mm socket. Do the same here. Make sure this is grabbing that terminal really good. Grab the hook. Down there, there's a hole. You see it. All right, put it in there. Put this guy back. Adjust it. Put the bowl back, 10mm. Tight it. Good. That's how you replace a battery in this 2000. What was it? (2009) Toyota Camry. And it goes for the same generation. Say, I like your boy. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. Han.